Alright, broskies, we had a little accident. The tow arm fucking slipped and fucking hit me in the fucking forehead. I fucking bought a new car. I'm gonna show it to you guys right now. It's pretty beat up. Ready? Ready? Oh, holy shit! Holy shit! What the fuck did you get? What the fuck did I end up buying? Look at this shit. Oh my god, it's so fucked up. So yeah, I bought it and I started drifting it and I fucking hit a corner. Nah, just kidding. Spindle and rotor is needed, and this side's good. A fender, the hood, the headlight, the bumper, and that's about it. And then on the back, it's only the passenger side that's fucked up. All the arms, everything's bad except for the spindle. So everything else I need, and the axle's good still. So check out the interior. So it does have a blown airbag in the steering wheel, and the curtain right here on the side is blown as well, and it is 6-speed, so that's a plus for me. The car only has 57,000 miles. We're removing all the arms right now currently, and I just noticed that the axle's fucked up too. Huh? You gotta remove it. ¿Qué, güey? Me la quita, güey, pero como no la quitó, güey. ¿Cuál? La lens, güey. Oh, my bad, güey. My bad, Chris. You think it's gonna be the same size? I don't know, güey. Maybe. Let me check. ¿Qué va, Chris? I think it goes the other way around. Like that, yeah. It goes like that, like this. Because I think that one goes to sway bar, huh? Yeah. Yo extrañaba a Christian, güey. La neta, güey. The videos aren't the same with Christian, without Christian, güey. La neta. Sí. La neta, güey. I made a couple videos, güey, without you, güey. They weren't the same, way, Christian. Let me tell you that. The people, güey, want to see Christian, güey. Sí, güey, están cansados de ti, güey. They tired of my bullshit. Looking good, though. This week I'll get the axle rebuilt, and then we'll put it together. Oh, and then I'll order this shit. And then the fucking diff cover, too. I just got to install the wheel, and the rear is done. Hell yeah. Alright, should be good. Fucking throw in the caliper and we should be cherry. You're excited, fool?
Slip it on, bro. Nice and tight.
What's up? Alright guys, so we got our power steering line. We found a spot locally to us.
con que llegues a donde tope así. Ya lo hicimos ahí, pero tú estás en el estilo y no lo puedes. ¿No? Maybe you go over here. Ay, güey. Ahí lo shade, ¿no? Ahí lo shade. Uy, ahí llegó. Dale que quede un poquito más. Ay, güey, ahí llegó. La pieza de tirarme chévere, si te lleva para quitarla, ¿sabes? Te da una más de líquido. Para chuchar que no. No, te estás haciendo, ¿sí? De que se baja y no se va a salir. No te lo quedo ya. Fuck it. It's gonna fuck it up, but I think it's sealed. I'm gonna slap it on. There's food, I get the perfect angle. Sure.
We did it, guys. No more leaks. E-fan works. It doesn't overheat. Pretty good. Straight. Alright guys, we're gonna start cutting the quarter panel. The moment you guys have all been waiting for. I'm gonna fix the quarter panel. Well, not fix it, but we're gonna cut it. We're gonna cut the fuck out of it. Let's see. I don't know, bro. Alright, moment of truth. Coilovers are on. But that's fine. We'll see if it's gonna rub or not. Oh, now you're good.
What the fuck is this?
Ninguém su madre.
Baby!
Hey, wait.
¿Qué pedo,
The
güey?
rim broke.
The rim broke. No, those lug nuts went through. They're too skinny. You need stock ones.
Oh, they did.
You need stock ones for stock wheels, fool. Damn, baby, what the fuck? Dude, this guy
went through the rib.
Hey, this guy be shooting coilovers, he be shooting wheels.
Huh? Well, Philly has it.
It went over there, look at. Oh shit, hold on.
They went the
Philly's got her way over there.
Holy shit, look at this tire. That shit went flying. Holy fuck. Hey, güey, sobraron tornillos, güey. A ver cómo jala esta madre. Let's see. Let's check it out. ¡Ay, güey! Damn. No quema, güey, esta madre. No quema, güey. A ver, rev it up. Verga, no mames. Parece que traes motor de diablo, güey. Before we go into the shop, so last week we painted Baby's 370Z. Remember, it was all fucked up when we got it. It was crashed. We fixed it, and now I'm gonna show you guys the new color. And I really want your guys' opinion because I might do my car the same color. So check it out. Chingón. You see that shit? What's the name of the colorway? What's the name of the color? It's like a battleship gray, okay, with some gold flakes. Fuck, this fucking kit was fucking expensive. Que mi compa tiene billete. Check that shit out. Check out all that fucking angle. Check fucking baby out. Ay, güey. No. Las pendejadas que anda haciendo el güey. This fool.
No way.
He left the fucking. This is the what, passenger side, and then the other one's the driver's side. Look at the nipples over here on the bottom. The nipple's supposed to be on the top.
There's because mine's the one right there. And
All right, I think we're done with the car.
yo todas las veces siempre la quito
We
todo.
gave it a eyeballed alignment. And we're just gonna lower it and then we're gonna test it out. A ver si es cierto, güey. We have to test it out.
Hey, we have grippy tires in the back.
Güey, si no puedes, güey, just let me know, güey. Le decimos a Christian, güey, que lo maneje.
Hey, wait, what? Wait, what?
If you can't handle those grippy tires, güey,
Let me know, way.
let Christian know, güey.
Let me know, way.
He's got you, güey.
Oh, whoa, whoa. What happened? Oh, he's running over the stuff.
Alright, broski, so I have everything laid down right here. Check it out. Check out this baller ass fool. Fucking big brake calipers for the rear. We got the rotors. We got the arms. And then we got the GK Tech sick ass hydro. This shit's fucking baller. Está chingón esta madre. But yeah, I'm gonna get started on it because it's getting kind of late. Alright, broski, so I'm finishing up the passenger side. Y esta madre decides to fucking slip and it hits me in the fucking eyebrow. Valió verga. I'm just kidding, guys. Mi vieja me pegó. Chiputazo a la verga. Not looking good. But the car's looking good. Alright, broskis, many days later, and we got the 370Z ready. This car was a fucking pain in the butt. We finished it. We didn't finish the alignment, but we're gonna go to the best tire shop right now. We're gonna get it aligned.
You are going to die tonight, and you can't help it.